What's up everybody, it's the Connect 860 back with another review, unboxing, comparison. Today we got the Ropeless jump rope system. Ropeless jump rope system. And what that is these handles here with a little weight at the end, and you still jump, and you swirl this around as you jump. I'll do a review, or you can Google or YouTube a demonstration. I'm unable to do the camera and demonstrate at the time, but here we go. It also records your weight, your jump, total calories burned. It's pretty dope. This is for if you live in an apartment, you got low ceilings, that type of thing. Or you're on the go, you put these in your bag, you want to get your cardio on, just pull out the Ropeless jump rope system. Ropeless jump rope system. I figure I'd take the time out to do a little comparison of all the jump ropes I got. I found out jump rope is a great way for me to get outside and be active, you know what I'm saying, without all the heavy weight lifting and things like that. I do weight training, but not every day. Jump rope is something I can do every day. As you know, I do my smoothies. I do the green smoothies, 2 green smoothies, boneless chicken, steamed broccoli, sweet potato, and that's my day. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to get myself back in shape, tighten up a little bit, that type of thing. So, right here we got the B-Max speed rope. I use this for like my speed sessions, double unders, that type of thing. If you want to do some tricks and all that, this is the rope to go with. This is another good rope from Fitness Club. Also good for your double unders and all those other fancy tricks they do. I don't know all the wording and labels for them. Just know these are the ropes I use to do them with. I could do double unders and crisscrosses, your boxing, skip, and all that stuff. So this is what I use to do them with. Right here is another rope that was labeled to be one of them speed ropes type of thing. But it's just a little too flimsy for me. It's from P90X. This came with actually, it came with some weighted gloves, so every now and then I'll put on the weighted gloves while I'm jumping for a little extra workout, burn a few extra calories. So this one's here is from P90X, comes in a pack. See the thick green orange rope right there compared to these. P90X is the thickest. This one here is another speed rope I like. I call it the Punisher. If you mess up, these black beads will get you. But I like it because the sound of the beads hitting the cement gives you your timing. You know, it makes a rhythm. So this I'll use once I'm well warmed up. I'll get to this one if I need to. But for the most part, I'll use these. What I'll do is I'll spread them all out 2 to 3 feet apart. Now I have to jump, do some jumping jacks, then pick up the new set, jump 3 feet, do some jumping jacks, pick up the next set, and that's how I keep going. I didn't get to use the Ropeless set yet, but this one will be put into motion. Let's continue. Here I got another set of P90X jump rope. These are weighted, so inside here, if I was to unscrew this, there's a thick metal weight in here. So I got 2 sets here. This is made by Gold's Gym. These are 2-pound weighted. This is 4-pound weighted. So when I'm ready to step it up a notch, I go to this one. I only use these about 2-3 times a week. Believe it or not, you know what I mean? Jump rope could be an intense workout. So these are weighted, 4 pounds, 2 pounds. Speed rope, the Punisher, because it got the beads. P90X, supposed to be for double unders. I don't really use it. It's thick, but it's a little flimsy for me. This one's good for double unders. This one's the Fitness Club. Got this one for about 11 bucks. It comes with another rope. It comes with a different speed, I would say. It comes with a red wire rope too. So that one's by Fitness Club. This one's by B-Max, another good one. I like this one because of nice, easy to hold handles here. And you see that it spins around. keeps it from getting all tangled up, and it's good for your double unders and all that good stuff. Make sure you guys know how to measure your jump rope properly. When I first started, my jump rope wasn't measured properly, and that's why I wasn't able to get the full workout that I was trying to get. So I do at least 15 minutes worth of jump rope before I get into anything else. So these were about $15, $11 to $15. These P90X ones was $20, but it came with some weighted gloves that are down by my weight set. These are Gold Gym. I got these for about $8 at Walmart. It came with some ankle weights or something. Cardio Jump. This was sent to me by ProFit to unbox and review. If you go on vnam.net, use the code LOYALTY for 20% off. LOYALTY. You get 20% off. So this is the ropeless jump system. As you can see, there's no rope there. You will hold these like a jump rope, and the weight will swing around, and you would jump. Okay. The key is to jump. You don't need the actual rope for the workout. The rope just makes you jump. You understand? So you can use the same concept without a rope. Just make sure you're jumping for the ultimate workout. We got a 4-pound P90X jump rope here. I think I got these for, actually I got these for $6.99 over at Job Lot. Every now and then at Job Lot you can catch a steal. So they got these. These were the only pair. When I went back to get more, they were all swapped out or different brands. These got the 2-pound weight in them, and these were about $10 or so. Okay, so once again, it's the Connect 860. I just want to do a quick jump rope review. Look out for my jump rope videos. I'll be playing different music or whatever, showing you guys some of my jump out routines. I'm just in the middle of a lot of stuff right now, so just stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It'll be called like Ken Can Jump or something like that. I'm still working on, you know, a lot of the ins and outs of it, but for the most part, I'll spread these ropes 2 to 3 feet apart, or 5 to 6 feet apart, what have you. I'll jump to the next rope. Before I pick up the rope, I'll do 10 jumping jacks, then pick up the rope. Jump till I get to these, 10 jumping jacks, then pick up the rope, and keep going. And I'll on certain days I'll end it with the heavy weights. I'm telling you, by the time you're done, it's a full body workout. Burn a decent amount of calories, and you'll just feel the difference. Follow it up with a nice smoothie or a shake or something like that, and you got yourself a complete workout. No weights, no nothing. You're outside, jump rope, headphones, no issues. So once again, it's the Connect 860. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.